the fiber pads that you see on this machine right here. 3 times the size. We're going to go 3 times the size with the pad. Basically, the pad's going to take the generation of some of this weight, spread it out over the ground. We cannot set up over underground utilities. That stabilizer right there could punch right through the ground. Much of the weight, as soon as I swing over an outrigger, is generated on 1 foot. I have my tires off the ground. When the crane is set up properly, we're going to run with the tires off the ground. A lot of my counterweight is right in there. When I look at this set of axles, I see no axle locks. A lot of times we'll have axle locks in these that lock the axle into place to help it lift it off the ground. On this one, I just lift it free. There are no axle locks. I got pads under my back outriggers. Before I even run the crane, all stabilizers down, level up the crane, hop off, make sure the tires are off the ground, and your setup is correct. Some new additions to the Practical. One of them is your initial inspection of the setup, which we went around and just did with these pads. The next thing that they have on there is correct shutdown. In this case, we're going to have this boom down into the cradle itself. We're going to lash our hook to the back of the crane so we can't have anybody running into it. If I was leaving the crane set up overnight, I'd leave the boom up at a 45-degree angle, and I'd keep my ball in the air so a truck riding around here couldn't catch it and pull the boom.